Hello, today allow me to introduce this luxurious electric ICU bed for you. It equipped with a 4-column motor system for superior structural stability and support. ABS bed platform that is X-ray translucent, reduces overall bed weight. HDPE head and footboards are abrasion resistant, antimicrobial, and resistant to discoloration. This bed is operable by integrated side rail controls, adjustable left and right lateral tilting to reduce the incidence of bed sores, enhances patient comfort, adjustable Trendelenburg and reverse Trendelenburg positions. Overall bed height is adjustable to facilitate medical treatment and nursing care. Backrest and leg rest can be raised with a single button press, and these two sections can also be operated independently. This bed can be programmed to perform rehabilitation functions, such as time leg elevation and automated turning. It reduces pressure on the patient's back and buttocks, while enhancing blood circulation. Optional weighing function available to facilitate medication, dosage reference, and patient status monitoring. The side rails feature a one-touch slow descent mechanism, facilitates safe patient transfer to and from the bed, while effectively preventing accidental falls. Handset for simple and quick adjustments. Head and footboards, quickly detachable by a single person, automatically lock upon insertion. Pulling the footboard allows for free extension of the bed length, providing greater comfort for taller patients. Central braking system. Bed frame remains fixed once casters are locked.